Good morning students, we are once again back in a lecture video. Today in a video lecture I am going to explain rectification of errors chapter number 19 further, and we will be discussing about one-sided errors. So what are one-sided errors? These errors affect only one account. If for example a sum of 2500 given to Ajay is correctly recorded in cash book but omitted to be posted in the debit of Ajay, the error will be termed as one-sided error because the error exists in the account of Ajay only. Such type of errors occur in the following cases: when a subsidiary book is undercast or overcast, when the posting of the account is altogether omitted, when the posting is made on the wrong side of an account, when the posting of the wrong account is done. Okay, so straight away we are going to come to the questions. Now, what are one-sided errors? Here you can see. So first part, it is like when the errors are located and rectified before the closing of the accounts, that is before preparing trial balance and before opening of suspense account. तो जब हम सस्पेंस अकाउंट नहीं खोलते हैं तो हम इस तरह से हम एरर्स को ठीक कर सकते हैं. Purchase book has been undercast, so we can write this in the sentence form, and we can write over here inverted comma to undercasting of purchases book by rupees 10,000. But this method is outdated. Recently we are using the suspense account method when we open the suspense account. So here it is. Rectification of errors after preparation of trial balance but before preparation of final accounts. In such case, two-sided errors will be rectified in the same manner by passing journal entries. But one-sided errors will be rectified in the following manner: when one-sided errors are located and rectified after the closing of accounts, that is after preparing of the trial balance and after opening of suspense account. When one-sided errors are located after preparation of trial balance, rectification are carried out by passing journal entries, as only one account is to be debited or credited for rectification of one-sided errors. Suspense account is used to complete the double entry because we are following the double entry system. As we all know that in one-sided error there is error in one side, either the debit side or the credit side. So the other side we have to complete by using suspense account. Now what is suspense account? When in spite of best efforts of the trial balance does not tally, the difference is put to a newly opened account named suspense account, and the trial balance is thus made to tally. This is done to avoid the delay in preparation of final accounts. Now let's see, we'll be doing the practical part. Now here you can see in this question illustration, you can see they have directly written the rectifying entry. But we will be doing the same question. Okay, rectifying the following errors assuming that the suspense account was opened. Ascertain the difference in trial balance. First, credit sale of Arun 7,000 was posted to the credit sale of account. एक्चुअल एंट्री क्या होनी चाहिए थी? अरुण टू सेल्स, लेकिन हमने अरुण के ही क्रेडिट में डाल दिया. तो सस्पेंस अकाउंट क्या होगा? अरुण को डेबिट कर दो और वो एंट्री क्या होगी? अरुण टू सस्पेंस. लेकिन दिस कैन बी शोन इन अ बेटर वे विच कैन बी अंडरस्टूड बाय अस. अब देखो गलती क्या हुई यहाँ पे देखेंगे. गलत क्या कर दिया वन साइड एरर्स में? वी हैव पोस्टेड दिस एंट्री टू द क्रेडिट ऑफ अरुण. तो टू अरुण 14,000 वी हैव रिटन. वी वोंट बी राइटिंग एनीथिंग ओवर हियर. नाउ एक्चुअल करेक्ट एंट्री वाज अरुण टू सेल्स 14,000. अब अरुण के पास पैसा पहुंच गया, उससे वापस लेने के लिए वी हैव टू डेबिट अरुण. तो अरुण टू सस्पेंस. सो दिस इज द वे यू विल बी शोइंग इन योर आंसर्स even in examinations: wrong, correct and rectifying. Arun to suspense, like this over here. Now second entry was credit purchase from bridge 9,000 was posted to the debit of his account. तो देखो क्रेडिट परचेज तो परचेज टू ब्रिज होना था, लेकिन हमने क्या कर दिया? ब्रिज को ही डेबिट कर दिया 15,000. एक्चुअल एंट्री, द करेक्ट एंट्री वाज परचेजेस टू ब्रिज 15,000 50,000. नाउ टू टेक द अमाउंट फ्रॉम ब्रिज वी हैव टू क्रेडिट ब्रिज, सस्पेंस टू ब्रिज. ओके, now one more we'll take. Goods returned to Charu rupees 4,000 was posted to the credit of her account. Goods returned to Charu, यानी it was purchase return. तो हमने to Charu कर दिया गलती से, जबकि करना क्या था? Charu to purchase return, क्योंकि purchase return credit होता है. और Charu to suspense will be your rectifying entry. One more we'll be taking. Goods returned from Deepika 1,000 were posted to the debit of her account. In illustrations, you have seen, children, that they are directly giving you the rectifying entry, but that is not the correct method. You have to show the wrong, correct and rectifying entry, all the three parts, then only your answer will be corrected. And you can also show how it came, how you are posting the correct entry. So first entry, wrong entry which you have done was over here, Deepika. It was goods returned from Deepika 1000. Deepika हमारी कस्टमर है, सेल्स रिटर्न था 1000 में पोस्टेड टू द डेबिट ऑफ हर अकाउंट. तो दीपिका को हमने गलती से डेबिट कर दिया. एक्चुअल एंट्री क्या थी? सेल्स रिटर्न टू दीपिका. तो उसकी रेक्टिफाइंग एंट्री क्या होगी? सस्पेंस टू दीपिका. आई थिंक चिल्ड्रन यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस चैप्टर इज नॉट मच लेंदी. एंड आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर पोस्टिंग दीज एंट्रीज, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर सस्पेंस अकाउंट ऑल्सो. तो जहाँ जहाँ सस्पेंस है, देखिए यहाँ पर सस्पेंस है, तो सस्पेंस क्रेडिट है, तो लेजर जैसे हम बनाते हैं हम लिखेंगे बाय अरुण. फिर सस्पेंस डेबिट है तो टू ब्रिज, फिर सस्पेंस क्रेडिट है तो बाय चारू, फिर टू दीपिका, देन टू सेल्स. तो फिर हम डेबिट क्रेडिट निकाल के यहाँ ये डिफरेंस 3000 हमारा आ जाएगा. थिंक यू मस्ट हैव अंडरस्टूड द थिंग एंड प्लीज डू द क्वेश्चंस एंड वील बी मीटिंग इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, बी सेफ एंड साउंड. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन.